Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial. Now we are learning the dimensions. In this section, we'll learn how to set dimensions for drawing and objects. Here, to set dimension, we have a tool here in annotation area which is called the standard dimension style. A dimension is a line with arrows at each end drawn at the angle at which the dimension has been measured. The dimension text is situated along this line, sometimes dividing it into two lines. Usually, the dimension line is inside the measured area. Sometimes, however, it does not fit. In such cases, two short lines are drawn outside the measured area with arrows pointing inwards. For angular dimensioning, the dimension line is actually an arc. The dimension can be set for all types of drawings, which can be the circle, the rectangles and lines. Let us click on this standard dimension style to set the dimension for our purpose. This is Dimension Style Manager dialog box. Here we'll click on Modify and it will open the Modify Dimension Style window. Here we have several tabs like lines where we can set the dimension line. We will set it by layer because every time when we are drawing something in AutoCAD, we will definitely create the dimension layer in which we will set all the required settings. The color will be by layer, the line type and the line weight will be also set to by layer. And then we'll set the extension lines which would be also by layers. So most of the settings will be displayed by layers. The symbols and arrows are required. Generally, we will set it close filled. The second and third leader will be set as per the requirement. Here it will ask for the arrow size and then the center mark. If we will select the mark, it will display the center of circle, and if we will set it none, it will not display it. Then there is a break size and we can set arc length symbol which will set the length of arc. The next tab is text. Here we can set the standard text style which can be set as per the requirement. We will set font name as Verdana. The font style will be regular and the height of the font will be 1. And then we'll click on set current. Then there is fit which will fit to either text or arrows. That will be best fit method. Then the primary units will be set. If you have selected architectural units, at the initial stage, select architectural, set the precision, then fractional point out of horizontal, diagonal and not stacked, and then scale factor. The unit format will be decimal degrees and the precision you can set as 0.002. In alternate units, we'll select display alternate unit and all alternate units will be set to decimal and precision will be the same 0.0, and we will off it so that the measure would not get affected. After this setting, click on OK or press enter, and then in Dimension Style Manager window, click on Set Current and then click Close. Now we are ready to set the dimension. As I have created the layer for dimension, I will select it first. You can see I have already set dimensions for circles diameter and rectangles angle. Let us set dimension by clicking on this option where there is linear, align, angular and several other like radius, diameter and ordinate method for dimension measure. I will select linear so that I can set dimension for this line. Select the endpoint and select another endpoint and drag it a little above than the object. Here you will find the dimension. As I have selected it, it is displayed. I can stretch it a little longer to get the exact dimension. In my case, it is 1 foot. It is how we will set dimension for different objects and with suitable measurement. If we will select radius, it will display the radius of that circle. I hope this tutorial will be useful to you. Thank you.